There's another question in the board. May I read it?
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Shalom Kulav. Given the hair of a married Jewish woman is usually covered, if a married woman touches her hair, does she need to wash the hands before praying?
Yes. Mm-hmm. So unless that depends what hair. The hair is that is covered. Yes, the hair is not covered now. So sometimes they leave here a little in the front. I don't know why. Okay, for whatever reason. Sometimes like on here, like also like 2 fingers, whatever. Not necessary, but if they want, they can. And hair on the neck is nothing. Okay, so this hair, if she like here on the side or in the front, she leaves uncovered. So this is usually uncovered. There is no problem if she touches. But whatever is under the kisui rosh, so that's the hidden hair. Same as the man, right? So if I touch some hair here, no problem. But under the kippah, that's the problem. That's when we must wash our hands. Because it even for men, it's things that places that usually covered.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.